Hello children, I hope you are feeling happy and strong. Welcome to our special English hour. Here we will learn lots of new things and have fun. Are you all ready? Let's get started. We will start our day with a fun tongue twister. Do you remember tongue twister from last session? I will refresh your memory. The tongue twister was Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. It was difficult and I was not able to say it fast. Were you? I am prepared for today and today I will try to say it 3 times. Let's give it a try. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. Wow! I was able to say it 3 times. Were you? Now, if you were, try saying it 5 times. Children, today we are going to learn about advertisements. Do you know what advertisements are? Advertisements are in the form of pictures, videos, face-to-face advertisements and also texts. We do advertisements to promote our products. You must have seen lots of advertisements on television and I'm sure you remember them. Children, now tell me, how do you feel when you see an advertisement? For example, it is your summer vacation. Can you think of the advertisements that we see on television when it's summer? Yes, we see advertisements about ice creams. And whenever we see these advertisements, we feel like having them, right? But we need to be smart customers. Now, what are smart customers? When we see anything on television, we should not immediately buy it. We need to think about it, right? These companies want to sell their products. So, some of these products could be harmful for us, which is why we need to be smart buyers or smart consumers. So, whenever you see an advertisement, it is not necessary that it would be good for you. हम जब भी कोई विज्ञापन देखते हैं, उसका ये अर्थ नहीं है कि वो विज्ञापन हमारे लिए अच्छा हो या हमारे सेहत के लिए अच्छा हो. ये विज्ञापन अपना प्रोडक्ट बेचना चाहता है, तो वो उसे इस तरीके से डिजाइन करते हैं कि वो उनके कंज्यूमर्स को पसंद आए. तो शायद ये प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे लिए अच्छे ना हो सके. तो जब भी हम कोई विज्ञापन देखें, हमें ये सोचना चाहिए कि क्या ये वस्तु हमारे लिए हानिकारक हो सकती है या क्या ये वस्तु हमारे लिए जरूरी है. हम ऐसे स्मार्ट कंज्यूमर्स बन सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स लर्न सम न्यू वर्ड्स. You will see these words in the lesson when we read it. So I request you to please make a note of these words in your notebooks and try to guess what these words mean. Attractive, attractive, attractive. The bee flew towards the most attractive flower. Customer, customer, customer. The shopkeeper was always nice to all his customers. Pouches, pouches, pouches. His pouches were filled with money. Nourishing, nourishing, nourishing. Compost is very important for nourishing plants. Fairness, fairness, fairness. The poet compared her fairness to the moon. I hope you remember these words and I hope you try to use these words when you speak in English. Now, let's read a lesson from our textbooks. Please open page number 48 of your textbook. I will read the lesson and I request you to point at the words as I read it. And if you don't have a textbook, listen to me carefully. Add wise customers. You must have seen ads, that is, advertisements on TV and in many other places. Advertisements are given by owners of different companies to tell people about their products. Their aim is to make people buy those products. Advertisements are designed in such a way that people are impressed when they see them. They feel like buying the product. That is what the owners want. But is the advice in the ads always good for you? You must think about it carefully. You must act like a wise customer and decide what to buy, how much to buy, and what not to buy. This lesson is about advertisements. We all read advertisements in newspapers or hear them on radio or watch them on television. Advertisements are made by companies to sell their products. They want people to know about their products. But sometimes not all products are good, or the message that they are trying to give from their advertisements could not be good, which is why it is very important for us as consumers to be smart about it. We need to think before we buy a product. हम तरह तरह के विज्ञापन देखते हैं, कभी अखबारों में या कभी रेडियो पे या कभी टीवी पे। हर विज्ञापन का एक ही उद्देश्य होता है। हर कंपनी अपनी वस्तु बेचना चाहती है और वो चाहती है कि ये वस्तु बहुत सारे लोग खरीदे। पर हमें सतर्क होना पड़ेगा। हमें ये जानना जरूरी है कि क्या ये वस्तु हमारे लिए जरूरी है या फिर क्या ये वस्तु हमारे लिए उपयोगी है। अगर हम ऐसा करें तो हम स्मार्ट कस्टमर्स बन सकते हैं. What the ad says: feeling happy, crispy crunchy. Feeling sad, crispy crunchy. Feeling tired, crispy crunchy. Lost the match, crispy crunchy. Won the cup, crispy crunchy. Day and night, crispy crunchy. Now and then, crispy crunchy. For you and me, crispy crunchy. Every time, crispy crunchy. Only for ₹5. Get one pack free on 5. My teacher says, we see many types of chips, wafers and other snacks in the market. We get them in attractive packets or pouches. These snacks are usually fried foods that contain a lot of salt and spices. They are good to taste, but not so good for your health if you eat them all the time. Growing children need a balanced and nourishing diet that includes different types of cereals, pulses, fresh vegetables, fruits, nuts, milk, etc. Children, what you saw on the screen was an advertisement. Can you guess the product? Yes, the product was chips. Now, can you all tell what was the product trying to say? It said that you can have chips whenever you want and you can have chips wherever you want, didn't it? Do you think eating chips is healthy? No, right? We cannot have chips all the time. It is all right to eat chips or fried food sometimes. But the advertisement was giving a wrong message. So, what do you think is necessary for us? We need nutritious food. We need to eat food like cereals, pulses, and fruits. We can eat chips, but it's not healthy for us. We could fall sick, which is why it is very important for us to eat healthy. क्या आपको लगता है हमें हर बार चिप्स खाने चाहिए? नहीं, हमें हमेशा सेहतमंद खाना चाहिए. हम चिप्स खा सकते हैं, लेकिन उसे बार बार खाना हमारे सेहत के लिए हानिकारक हो सकता है. इसका अर्थ ये हुआ कि ये विज्ञापन हमें ठगने की कोशिश कर रहा है. इसीलिए हमें जागरूक ग्राहक बनना पड़ेगा. What the ad says: Didi, look at this. My new dress for the party. Where is yours? No party for me. Bitya Rani, tap, tap, tap. My new shoes for the party. Where are yours? No party for me. Bitya Rani, ting, ting, ting. Choose new bangles for the party. No party for me. What's the matter? Why are you so sad? My skin is so dark. I feel so bad. No party for me. Is that all? Don't worry. Solve your problem with Hem Gauri. 5 days to fairness. Hem Gauri will make your skin shine. Be fair as a fairy with Hemagori. ₹10 off on every 100-gram tube or bottle. Hurry! Offer closes on 1st April. My teacher says, who says black is not beautiful? The color of your skin has nothing to do with your beauty. It's more important to be healthy, neat and tidy if you want people to like your looks. You should eat well, exercise well, sleep well and drink enough water to get a healthy glowing skin. Never feel bad about the color of your skin or your natural looks. Be careful when you try fairness creams. They may have side effects. Can you all tell me what was this advertisement about? This advertisement was about fairness creams. Now, can you all tell me what was happening in this advertisement? We saw that there was a girl, and this girl and her family members were going to a party. All her family members ask her to get ready and she says that she won't go to the party. Why do you think she was not ready? She was not ready because she thought that her skin is dark and that is why she should not attend this party. Now, this is a huge problem. The product here that is being sold is a fairness cream. What do you think is the problem here? The problem here is that our society says that white is beautiful and black is not, which is why these products make huge amount in our country. It is believed that black is not beautiful. Do you think it's right to say like that or think like that? No, right? These companies or these products are not good for our skin and that has been proven. But we need to start thinking and we need to start thinking smartly. These companies are only here to make money. And when someone says that black is not beautiful, it creates a different idea in the person's head. The girl in the advertisement was not feeling confident because she thought that she has a dark skin tone, which is not a right thing to say or do. So as smart customers, we should not buy these products or promote such products. इस एडवर्टाइजमेंट में हमने ये देखा कि लड़की अपने सावलेपन से परेशान है। वो इतनी परेशान है कि वो अपने घर के बाहर भी नहीं निकलना चाहती। जो कंपनीज ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स बनाती है उनका ये कहना है कि सावला रंग या काला रंग सुंदर नहीं होता, पर ये बहुत गलत बात है। अगर हम ऐसी चीज को बढ़ावा दे तो समाज में ऐसी सोच बन जाती है जिसके कारण समाज में बहुत सारी दुविधाएं भी खड़ी होती है। तो यहाँ हमें फिर से सतर्क ग्राहक बनना होगा, हमें जागरूक ग्राहक बनना होगा और ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स को खरीदने से पहले 10 बार सोचना होगा। Apart from these products creating an impact on our society, these products also are harmful for our skin. ये प्रोडक्ट्स हमारे समाज के सोच के लिए जितने बुरे हैं उतने ही बुरे हमारे त्वचा के लिए है। तो इसलिए हमें ऐसे प्रोडक्ट्स को बढ़ावा नहीं देना चाहिए। Children, today we learned about advertisements and how to be a smart consumer. I also told you all about the different forms of advertisements. Today, we will try to create an advertisement. For this, we will create a pamphlet. I will show you how. Now, we will start with the pamphlet. Here, I have already decorated this pamphlet. Can you all guess what this pamphlet is about? This is about clothes. Here, I am advertising about my clothes shop. So, I would like to name my shop Fashion Fever. Let's write it in a decorative way. Now we need to add one line which talks about what the shop is for. My shop is famous for clothes. So I will write specialists in clothes and accessories. As you all can see, I have many accessories here. Here is a bracelet, a necklace, pair of earrings and some fancy stones. So now I will write my address. My address is Shanti Mahal, GK Road, Andheri West, Mumbai 400058. I will also give my contact number. 9765 4321. Now I have given details about my shop. I have written the name. I have written what the customers will find when they enter the shop and my address. Now all I need to do is make this look even more prettier. Now I also have a tagline for my shop. I would like to add that as well. Now I want to tell my customers that we have clothes for every occasion and we just don't specialize in certain kinds of clothes. So my tagline would be fashion ready for every occasion. Now the name will be always big and the tagline is small. So here is my pamphlet. It's ready and now I would request you to also make a pamphlet about things that you would like to sell. Children, for homework, I would like you to note down 5 things that you can do to become a smart consumer. I would like to end this session here. I hope you enjoyed today's session and you learned something new. Now, I will see you in our next session. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye.